All right, so we're going to work on our works cited entry today. So I just have 4 entries. You should have 8 for your final IRP works cited, but I want to walk through some of the common things that I've been seeing as I looked through the previous quarters. All right, so first, your works cited should be centered, so make sure you center that. All right, that's the only thing that should be centered on your entire document. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight the entire document, make sure that our font is Times New Roman, and make sure that it's 12 point. Okay. While we have it all highlighted, we'll go and do a few other things. So we're going to click Format, Line Spacing, Double. And that'll make the entire document double spaced. Okay. Because it's double spaced, we don't need these extra spaces between each of our entries. Okay. Couple things. So I downloaded these citations off of Google. So this should not be bold. This should be italics. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbold it. And then we're going to make it italics. We'll do the same thing for all the light we cannot see. Okay, so right here, there's a little citation error, right? So that semicolon should be here. There should always be a space after the colon. So we're going to fix that. Sometimes when you guys copy and paste your citations from the databases, you have this little background, right? This highlight. Highlight it. Come right over here, up here on this toolbar, find where it says highlight color, and then click none. That'll clear that formatting issue that you're having, okay? And then before we do hanging indent, let's get them all in the right order. So we need this alphabetical, right? So this starts with Z. We're going to leave that here at the end. S, R, D. All right, so we need to move Anthony Dorr up to here. And now we have an alphabetical order, okay? The last thing you need to do for your citation formatting is highlight all of this. Come here to Format. Align and indent. Click over here to indentation options. And right here, you're going to see the special indent. You're going to click where it says none. You're going to click hanging. Leave it at 1/2 inch and click apply. What it'll do is it'll make the first line of your citation left aligned. And every line after that, so sometimes citations are 2 or 3 or 4 lines long, every line after that will be indented. So if your citation sheet looks just like this, then you are good. The only thing I would say is different. My default on my documents is 1/2 inch margin. Your should be 1 inch. So I would come here to File, Edit, or is it Page Setup? Sorry, it was hidden by my screencast. Page Setup, and then I just come over here and I click Portrait, and then I make sure it's 1 all the way around and click OK. And there we go. And that should be what my citation document should look like before I turn it into Google Classroom.